Okay, so this is 10.1 Polygon. So there's a bunch of formulas. This is basically all the information you need to know. There's a lot of it, but it's not that bad. So the important part here is these are the formulas. Huh, that I need to widen. Okay, well, these are the formulas down here. So the things you're looking for can all be found with these formulas. You have this list of the polygons. So poly means multiple. So polygons have multiple sides. So if you have one side, that's just a line. If you have two sides, that's an angle. So once you get to three, you can start making shapes. So these are the names of the different polygons. Once you get past 10, there are names for those types of shapes, but once you get past 10, you can just do like 11 gon, 12 gon, so on and so forth. Um, with a concave shape, just think of like if you were hiking and you ran into this shape, there's a cave that you could go inside and take refuge in. Convex does not have a cave in it. Then a regular polygon has all the sides and all the angles are equal. And irregular, they're not. So a regular polygon, think of like a stop sign, that would be a regular polygon. Um, yeah, so like I know this is a hexagon, but if you look at this one on the bottom right here, if you were to stretch out a stop sign like that, it would not have all of the same side lengths or angles. So that's the only difference. So this is all your information you need here. That'll take you through everything, but I'll do some stuff with you. So let's start with this. You have this shape here. So this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, has 6 sides. So this is a hexagon. So let's start using some of these formulas. So the sum of interior angles for a hexagon. So we know there's 6 sides. Let's do the sum of interior angles. So the formula for that is n minus 2 times 180. This is I'm kind of following the order that your classwork has it do. Oh, this is a hexagon and it is convex. What does it ask you next? Yes, next it asks you to do the interior angle sum. So that's this green part right here. So n is 6, 6 sides minus 2 times 180. So that's 4 times 180. So that's going to be, what is that, 720? Yeah. So that's the sum of interior angles. What else does it want you to do? What's the measure of each interior angle? So on 9 and 10, you have to find the measure of the interior angles. So the measure of each interior angle. So that formula is here also. One interior angle, n minus 2 times 1e divided by n. So that formula is n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. So that's going to be, has 6 sides, minus 2 times 180 divided by 6. And plug that in the calculator. So that's going to be 720 divided by 6 is 120. So that's the next part. Yeah, so all I was given was a hexagon. On the blue part, I identified what it was and if it was convex or concave. Then on the green part, I found the sum of interior angles. And on the red part, I found the measure of one interior angle. So the other tasks you will need to accomplish on this assignment is if you have a shape like this, to find the missing angles here. So let's figure this out. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the pentagon. The interior angle is going to be 5 minus 2 times 180. So 180 times 3. 180 times 3 is 540. So this whole thing on the inside is 540 degrees. Let's subtract these. So minus 95, minus 115, and minus 100. So 540 minus 15 minus 95. That's going to be 230. So that means 230 is split in between these two here. So I'm going to divide that by 2, and that's going to be 115. So x equals 115 here. So you have a couple problems like this, and then you have a couple problems like this also. So now this is exterior angles. So, and your formulas, they're all up here. So the sum of exterior angles is always 360. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. So these always add up to 360. We don't have to do any extra work there. 360 minus 60 minus 40 minus 60 minus 55 minus 70. Okay, let's type all these numbers in. You got 360 minus 100 minus 60 minus 55 minus 70. That's going to be 75. That's the answer to this one, which is that x right there. So those are your examples. This document is available for you on OneNote. I'm going to stop this video.